Hey friends, Sanjay with Liazon Marketing. I hope you guys are doing well. So those of you who are planning to hire agents from worldwide or anywhere in the world um, to work on your Amazon account, this is a video to show how you give them access. Now there's a few ways to do it. Depends on what kind of system these guys have. But here's the simple way if you are going to hire a freelancer to work on your account. So this is our dummy account. This is where I do all the games, all the testing, everything is there. It's been off for a couple of months because we're testing new products. But anyway, come to your Seller Central account, and over here you see this wheel right here under settings. You go over here and you go to user permissions. After you go user permissions, you're going to put the name of the person. Um, oh, no. And you're going to put the name of the person, Lisa at Liazon Marketing, LiazonMarketing.com. Simple. You put the name of the person here, whatever you want, abbreviations, name, whatever, as long as you fill something up there. And you put the name of the person, their email address, and you give them an invite. So I'm going to do this now. I am going to go and sign up for it. And I want to show you how simple it is. Now, there are some companies, they don't actually provide you this. They give you their own link that you can go and just use it. And they will give instructions how to do it, like Helium 10, Jungle Scout, these major companies. And once that one is done, then it automatically gets linked to your account. Okay, so let's see. All right, so I just signed up and give it a couple minutes before you see action over there. All right, almost there, almost. Okay, let's refresh the page and see if this person came through yet or not. See, okay, so it's taking some time, but let me show you a way to do it. So if if this one gets updated, right, you will see it come like this: the name of the person, their email address, and manage permission. And manage global is to manage the worldwide permission. You are going to go under manage permissions, and over here, basically, you want to give them access to your account. Now, which ones are important and which ones you should definitely avoid by not giving? Okay. So, advertising, if you are making somebody to work with PPC, make sure and do the admin right here. Press on the admin. You can do step by step, but if somebody is handling your PPC, there's four things you need to give them access to: admin to advertising, admin to inventory, admin to reports. If he's a professional PPC, he or she is a professional PPC person, then definitely admin to reports, okay? Because that's where we get a lot of information. And the last one that you want to give admin is orders maybe. Okay. Now, let me explain to you features of each one of this. So advertising is basically targeting, making new PPC campaign managers, sponsored ads, keyword targeting, search term ads, things like that. If they want to do any prime exclusive discounts, these guys can go and do it. Okay. Amazon lending, I would definitely not give this to anybody because you are registering for a loan and you don't want to do things that may end up in the wrong direction. Even though Amazon is very protected, they will protect your account, but still, our mistake is our mistake, and it's our mistake. Put it this way. Internal tool, it's not necessary. Why? Because that's up to you whether you want to upgrade your account or downgrade your Amazon Seller Central account. So that's basically what that is. Okay. Uh, Inventory, you can give admin here. The only thing that I would probably, this is a good one. If the something is wrong with my camera today. So in the inventory, if somebody's making the shipment for you, so make sure you give them in the shipment. But there's no problem there, but just you can always choose whatever you like. Upload and manage videos. So if somebody is uploading videos for you, give them this, otherwise give none. You can also give view to a lot of these. Manage orders, definitely I give to the freelancers. Let them manage. If you're getting a full-time person, like if you're hiring us, I will definitely ask you for admin because I don't want to go back and forth bothering you. Um, Performance, yeah, I mean, if somebody's managing your store completely, you want them to go and answer to the customers. You don't have time for this. The reason why, because you get 24 hours to reply back. Now, some of my customers are so busy, they don't even have a second to spare, even with me, even when I give them audits every month. They don't even check my audits. So that's how busy they are. But we want to make sure that any questions that come in, somebody's there to answer within 24 hours. It's very, very important. Appeals is if if your listing goes deactivated or something, nothing that your freelancer can do here, but of course you have to provide them with the information of your account so that he can go and submit to Amazon. Okay. The KPI toolbar is what a lot of these big companies they do. Let me see. Under reports, I would probably not give payments information to the freelancer, but everything like payments I would not give, invoices I would not give, all these tax documents, I would avoid all of this. But the rest of the stuff I would apply as view and edit. Settings, this is okay to give. Now, one thing here you don't want to give. Now, I'm going to request you every time. Not every time. If you hire me, I'm going to request you for user permissions because sometimes I need to add additional freelancers because some of the work we get are so massive that listen, I cannot do it myself. So I need help of my employees to help me. And when I get this user permissions in advance, I just go and put whoever I need in charge to do certain things. Um, you can give if you trust the person. It's all about trust to give this permissions. Okay. If you don't trust or you're just beginning to start with somebody, don't offer this because you see you are expecting whoever you offer the job, you're expecting that that person is actually working on your account. You don't want somebody else besides that person to work. And when you apply for this user permission, anybody can just log in and start working. And that's something you don't want to do. So if you don't trust that person, don't apply. If you don't trust me, don't give me. I'm completely okay with that. I'm a very flexible person. But the level of trust needs to be there, because when you hire somebody, you want to make sure that only that person is working on your account. Now, there are other ways around. Even if you don't apply that, there are other ways around to go that, but a lot of people don't know that stuff. Stores design, okay, this is when you're building your brand name. That's when you do. And once you apply the applications, you will see a continue button here. You continue once, verify all the information, continue again, and within few seconds or few minutes, the freelancer will get the information uploaded on their side. And then when they go to Seller Central, they will be able to see all the information that's been given to the freelancer. So for example, I have given myself admin to all my stuff. So here, see, so basically, whenever you give the permission, this is what people can see right here. See, so I have given myself admin to a lot of stuff. I can go and check whatever I want. And in the user permissions, if I want to go and give access to somebody else in my company, then all I do is I basically just add their name, their email address, and send them an invite without bothering the seller. Now, when I'm doing this as a freelancer and adding somebody else, you will get a notification as the seller that I actually invited something else. So it's not something that I'm going to go behind the scene. It's something that you are going to know, because you are the main admin of the account. Now, if you want to get rid of somebody, uh, you're working with somebody and you're tired, and whatever from their freelancer, you want to remove them. It's very simple. All you do is you press none, all the way none, and continue down and take it out. Or the other way of doing it is basically just deleting the access. Simple, right here. Delete, get out. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Very simple. I have created a video on how to set up your Amazon account and how to actually support it in several ways before you start your Amazon store. Just watch that video. Very interesting stuff in there. And after you do that, create your Amazon store account and start giving permissions. Look, if it's something that you don't understand about Amazon, don't feel bad. I have been in your shoes. Every person has been in your shoes. We have all learned from the mistakes. And in today's busy world, nobody has time. So either you manage your business or you hire somebody to run the business for you. But you want to make sure that that person qualifies for the work they're doing. All right. So thank you very much for watching. Hit like, subscribe, whatever you like. Send me comments, and looking forward to work with you. Thank you. Bye bye.